Out of all the toys you got, that's the one that you like?
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.